Hey guys, what's going on? Max here from Custom 3D, and today I'm at a golf course. And the reason I'm at a golf course is because I 3D printed a golf ball in white TPU. And I'm gonna try to play a hole and see how it goes. Now there's a twist. My friend Sean will be joining me today. And my goal is to beat him on this hole, which I highly doubt is gonna happen, even though I'm a better golfer with him with a regular ball. But we'll see how it goes. Thanks, enjoy the video. What be going with?
300.
All right. Squibbed it into the fairway.
Hey, a fairway's a fairway.
Yep. All right. Alrighty, going with the good old 3 hybrid. This is gonna sound like a rock. Oh boy.
Where'd it go?
Left side, popped it up in the air. It's like hitting a fly ball. Oh. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna lay up with an 8-iron here. Popped it up, hit it on the first fairway. Not ideal, but playing with a 3D printed golf ball. Oh. I never said I was good at golf, did I? Third shot, haven't even hit the second fairway yet. Let's see how it goes. I'll take it. Pitch and wedge in. Good to go. So we got Sean hitting his second shot. I'm lying 3. 3D printed golf ball. He's hitting a regular Strixon. By the way, we're at Pinecrest, beautiful 9-hole course in southern Rhode Island. Aw, in the bunker on the left side of the green. It's not a bad shot though. Recorded? Alrighty, so I said I was gonna go with the pitch and wedge, but we're going with the 9-iron. See what happens. If we lose it in the water, then that sucks. Oh, yep, there it goes in the water. We're gonna see if Sean can get out of this bunker he just hit into. See if he can make par. Uh-oh.
We're out.
Oh, look at that, right on the rough on the outside. So what are you lying?
3 for par.
All right, chip it in. Got a good 40 feet for par. He's a good flopper. Let's see if he can do it. Oh. Oh, what a shot. Sit. Oh no. Here by Svizzato. He's going with the putter on the fringe. He's got a good 15 feet of fringe ahead of him. Uphill, too. This camera doesn't give it justice. Oh, just missed it. Psych. Just kidding. It was a horrible putt. Walk of shame right here. At least he didn't hit it into the water. Oh, it's a good putt considering the hole. Tap it in there for a solid, what, 7, 8.
I'll be humble and give myself a 7.
Oh, look at that. Way to finish up the hole. There goes 9 hours of print time. Thanks for watching. You know, it is what it is. I'll print up another one, see what happens. Maybe we'll get another video here with another hole. But next time, we'll plan a hole without water. So thanks for watching. Check out our other time lapses we got. See you later.